Karen Jeckley Live.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox my GoPro 58 in 1 accessory kit. So guys, before we unbox, I would like to tell you, like, I paid about 7 Omani Reals for it, which is equivalent to 18 American dollars. So guys, I ordered it from Gadgets Oman. So Gadgets is a store here, so which sells like accessories and all kind of related stuff. Okay, so now let us open it and let us see what all we get and how they feel. So guys, I ordered it for my GoPro. Okay, so so the first thing, so these accessories, they come packed in this nice pouch. Okay, so the outer material of this pouch is like, it is hardened material, so the quality is not bad at all in $18. Okay, and it also has a carrying handle with it. Okay, so let us open it, let us see what is inside. Okay, so much of plastic. So first thing, what is this? Okay, so this is a chest mount. Okay, so using this you can mount your GoPro on your chest. Okay, so we have a chest mount here, and then we have very important. Okay, so this is a handlebar mount, and this is a heavy duty one. Okay, so you can fix it on your bike handle or a motorcycle handle, because I had a handlebar mount, and once I was riding, it broke and my GoPro fell down and my camera also crashed. Okay, some car ran over it. So here is a heavy duty handlebar mount. Okay, so then we have a wristband to mount your camera, so you can say it is a wristband. Okay, so using this you can tie your camera on your wrist. Then we have a suction mount. Okay, so this you need in case you want to mount your camera on your car wind screen. So it comes with this suction cap. Okay, so what else? Let us keep them on the side. Okay, so then we have this clip mount. Okay, in case you want to mount your camera on your cap flap or your jacket, so simply it goes, and here you mount the camera like this. Okay, and it comes with lot of these screws. Okay, because these are the things which we always lose. Now what is this? This seems like a head mount, like headband to mount your camera on your head. Let us see. Yes, so it is a headband. Okay, so you can wear it over your head, and here you can mount your camera. Okay, so not bad in actually $18. Okay, so we have a floater in case you want to use your camera in the water, so you can mount, and this has a air in it. It will not let your camera drown, so it will float on the water. So what else? Okay, now what is this? This is new, never seen this before. Let us see. I really do not know, but I think this is used to tie your camera somewhere. So let us see, we will find a use for it also, or maybe some of the viewers, they will know it and they will comment it. Okay, so this is like a selfie stick mount. Okay, so it is a telescopic selfie stick, and it is pretty long. So on the top you can mount your camera. Even I think on this you can mount your mobile phone also. So this is good, and it is solid. Okay, so then we have different types of other mounts. So we have clips which goes into the basic mount of GoPro. So different types of clips. So this is to mount it on a tripod, and again more screws. Then more one more handlebar mount is there, you can see. Okay, this one. So these mounts are not very heavy duty. It was this type of mount which broke last time while I was riding. Okay, so and then couple of extenders. Using this you can turn the orientation from left to right, right to left. You can use them in combinations. So and you can increase the height, so they can be used as an extenders. And what is this? So this is a belt to mount the GoPro remote. So normally remote you have to buy separate. So in case you want to mount your remote on your wrist, so then you need this belt. So basically it goes from the remote and then you can tie it around your wrist and you can control your camera with the remote. Okay, what else is there? So these already we checked. I'll take them out. Okay, silica gel, silica, so then couple of 3M tape, double-sided tapes to stick things around. And it also has a separate accessory pouch, so you can put all these small things in this accessory. And it also have this tripod, so it is pretty flexible. If you want to tie your camera somewhere on the tree or anywhere, so you can simply use that. Okay, and they will grip your camera on the things like branches of the tree or any other thing. Okay, so not bad. Then it comes with couple of 3M tape patches. Okay, so these you need to stick around your mounts on the different things like helmets and other flat surfaces, and these are the mounts which you can stick. And it also comes with the key in case you want to tighten the screws or you want to loosen the screws. And that's pretty much here. So basically, so this is a basic curved mount and you can stick a tape here, this. Okay, and then you can stick it on a helmet or any other surface. So guys, that's pretty much in this. So it is not a bad deal in $18. Okay, so we have some heavy duty mounts and we have lot of useful stuff, and we have lot of stuff which we do not even know how to use, but we will find out. Okay, so as you use your camera, you explore the world, so you will know the users. And the pouch is really useful. So it was our GoPro 58-in-1 kit and I paid $18 for it. And guys, you can see in $18 this is a good bargain. So guys, that's pretty much for today. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more unboxing videos, more musical stuff, IT lectures, riding videos and all kind of stuff. So guys, all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.